Good morning, driver. Does this bus go to the central train station?
Yes, it does. Please step inside and move to the back, please.
How much is the fare for a single trip to the station?
The fare is $2.50 for a one-way ticket.
Can I pay with a $10 bill or only with coins?
I can give you change, but smaller bills are much better for me.
I found a $5 bill in my pocket. Is that okay?
That is perfect. Please insert the bill into the machine right here.
Thank you. Do I need to take a paper receipt?
Yes, the machine will print a transfer for you to keep now.
How many stops are there before we arrive at the main station?
There are exactly 5 stops before we reach the city center area.
Is the bus very crowded at this time of the morning, usually?
It is usually quite busy until about 9:30 in the morning daily.
I see an empty seat near the window in the middle section.
Please sit down quickly because the bus is about to move now.
Thank you for waiting for me to find a place to sit.
It is my job to make sure every passenger is safe and happy.
You are a very kind driver. I appreciate your help this morning.
You are very welcome. Enjoy the ride to the city train station.
I hope I do not miss my stop at the station.
The next stop is the public library on West Street.
Excuse me, is the library near the famous local museum?
Yes, the museum is just a short 2-minute walk from that stop.
That is good to know for my trip back home later tonight.
Make sure you check the bus schedule for the late night hours.
Does the bus run every 30 minutes after the sun goes down?
No, the bus only comes once every hour during the late night.
I will make sure to finish my shopping before the last bus.
That is a very smart plan. The city is very quiet tonight.
Next stop is the central train station and the metro.
This is your stop, young lady. Please gather all your personal bags.
Thank you for the reminder. I almost forgot my small blue umbrella.
It is starting to rain outside, so you will definitely need it.
I am glad I brought it with me today. Have a great day.
You have a wonderful day too. Watch your step on the stairs.
Oh no, it is raining much harder than I thought.
There's a taxi stand just around the corner over there.
Thank you so much. I will go there right away to stay dry.
Good luck with your travels. Goodbye, and stay safe in the rain.
Hello. Are you available to take a new passenger?
Yes, I am free. Please, come inside and escape the cold rain.
Thank you. I need to go to the Grand Hotel on Broadway.
I know exactly where that is. It is near the theater district.
Yes, that is the one. Is there a lot of traffic today?
The traffic is a bit heavy because of the rain and construction.
How long do you think it will take to get there, driver?
It should take about 15 minutes if the bridge is not closed.
I am in a bit of a hurry for a lunch meeting.
I will take a shortcut through the park to save some time.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Thank you for being so fast.
Do you mind if I play some light music on the radio?
No, I do not mind at all. I actually love listening to jazz.
This is my favorite station. They play the best songs every day.
It is very relaxing. It helps me feel less stressed about work.
I agree. Driving in the city can be very stressful for everyone.
How long have you been driving a taxi in this big city?
I have been a driver for over 20 years in this area.
Wow! You must know every single street and alleyway by now then.
I could drive through this city with my eyes closed almost, lady.
Is that the tall clock tower on the left side over there?
Yes, that is the oldest building in the entire city center district.
It is a beautiful piece of architecture. I love the old style.
We are turning onto Broadway now. The hotel is 2 blocks away.
I can see the large gold sign from here. It looks fancy.
It is the most expensive hotel in the city for many tourists.
I am only here for a meeting, not to stay the night.
That is good, because a room there costs a lot of money.
I believe you. Can you pull over near the main front entrance?
I will stop right in front of the revolving doors for you.
That is perfect. I will not get wet from the rain there.
Here we are. The total on the meter is $12.
Do you accept credit cards or do you prefer cash for payment?
I accept all major credit cards. You can tap your card here.
Did the payment process go through on your screen yet?
Yes, it is approved. Would you like a receipt for your company?
Yes, please. I need to give it to my boss for reimbursement.
Here is your receipt. I hope you have a very successful meeting.
Thank you. You have been a very excellent and professional taxi driver.
It was my pleasure to drive you. Have a great afternoon, miss.
Hello again, driver. I am heading back to the bus.
Welcome back. Did your meeting go well at the Grand Hotel today?
It went very well, thank you. Now I am ready to go home.
I can take you back to the station in just 10 minutes.
That would be great. I want to catch the 5 o'clock train.
We should have plenty of time to make it there before then.
The rain has finally stopped. The sky looks much brighter now, too.
The sun might even come out before the end of the day.
I hope so. I want to go for a walk later tonight.
A walk in the fresh air is always a very good idea.
We are arriving at the station already. That was a very fast trip.
The roads are much clearer now that the lunch hour is over.
How much do I owe you for this trip back to here?
It is the same price as before. $12 even, please, miss.
Here is $15. Please keep the $3 tip.
Thank you so much. That is very kind of you to do.
You are welcome. You made my travel much easier and more pleasant.
I am happy to help. Have a safe journey back to your house.
Goodbye, driver. I will call for your taxi again the next time.
I look forward to seeing you again. Have a wonderful night.